Hi, I'm Nick, founder and CEO of Atsu. Atsu provides breakthrough intelligence for production environments in industries such as media, finance, life sciences, and many more. Whether you're creating a new movie, discovering a new drug, or exercising a new trading model, you need your digital factory to be predictable, efficient, and agile. And Atsu can help you get there. It's amazing as we enter this new decade to look back at an industry such as media and entertainment. Now, as I talk to folks in these studios, I see persistent challenges. Your production is nearing completion. 2 weeks to go. The pipeline is frozen. All hands are on deck. Suddenly, a critical system is overwhelmed. Why? What's changed? Who's done it? This will typically cause a huge disruption in your senior staff and your critical implementers to go and try to figure out what's going on. These are all challenging and reoccurring questions that we see in production environments today. Now, Atsu has partnered with 3 of the largest animation studios in the world to bring a new and compelling approach to these challenges. That's right, machine learning. Machine learning poses a significant advantage in these environments. You've got very talented knowledge workers, artists, operators, technical directors, maybe even developers. And they're all trying to make this production out with less budget, less time, better quality, higher finish. Atsu helps simplify and solve all of these persistent challenges. Using machine learning, Atsu learns your environment. It learns the users, the applications, the systems, and ultimately the workflow. We believe the next decade will explode in terms of machine-driven opportunities to make media production go even faster than before. So check us out. Come to atsu.io and see how we can help you. Free trial starting today.